pretty good. I haven't seen other robots that have the level of autonomy. If you have like a big factory floor, it makes absolute sense. But I see a point in big factories, because if you have like one big floor without any interruptions, you put one robot over there and it cleans for 2 hours and it's clean without any human. It's nice, yeah, it's very practical.
I mean, it's a very practical technology because you're solving a tedious task that not a lot of people want to do.
Yeah.
You're giving the understaffed markets a bit more chance to relieve themselves. I think specifically maybe looking at the Switzerland markets, you have a lot of remote places with not a lot of people since they're moving to the city. But you still want to maintain the same capacity in the store, the same amount of work, but with less workers it's more difficult. So you divide the tasks into something that is more manageable for a robot nowadays, and humans can focus on something more practical, like the difficult tasks with like restocking.